Alright, good morning, Mim H, and then Corner, Mr. Corner, right? Besides that, I am as your tutor for today. I'm going to asking you several questions about Aceh after tsunami disaster 2004 December 20th at the time. What do you think? Because 14 years ago, after rebuild, house, school, anything. So, what do you think after rebuild?
What do I think after
Yeah.
see this?
Yeah.
It's still as impressive as it was back then. It's shocking how many people died.
Oh yeah, so how many people was homeless, jobless, and anything, right? And then, what do you feel after you watch Tsunami documentary film just now?
movie.
Yeah.
I already warned him that it would be shocking to see these images of the people dying.
This is terrified.
And it still is. Yeah.
Very terrified, right? Yeah. When somebody watched that, gonna crying because how many people was gone. Yeah.
It's sad.
House, schools, anything, fish farm. Yeah, just because after tsunami, the good impact for the peace between Aceh and Indonesia, right?
Yeah, I'm glad something good came out of it. That's a big event. That's
big
sad,
event.
but at least it brought something good for people in Aceh too.
Yeah.
Peace.
Thank you for your expression and then your comment for Aceh. I hope Aceh gonna be, good ways for native speaker and then people from Europe or United States or United Kingdom.
I'm going to tell everybody who comes here to go to Aceh. And don't skip Aceh.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
That's
Thank you
right.
so much. All right.
Yeah.
I think that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome.